Thank you. Hey, namaste. Hello. Let's wait for someone. And if you can see this, can I have just a little bit look how is looking everything there? Oh, fantastic. Yeah. Fantastic. Yes. Yeah, hello everyone. Hello. This is Chef Santosh. I will be cooking khasiko masu, hey? So I will be using khasiko masu. I am doing using the Nepal ingredients. Food. Can you hear? I think if you hear me, can you give me thumbs up, please? So I will be, or I need more loud to say anything. If you give me thumbs up, if you can hear me, please. Or
can I get a thumbs up if people can hear them clearly, please?
My voice, please. Yeah.
Not my voice.
Thank you very much. So let's start cooking now. So I will be cooking in a.
Oh, people can hear you.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm getting thumbs up.
One second, म share गरिदिइहाल्छु है.
Okay. Again, if you have any questions, just ask me. My colleague will have to read and then we'll be doing. So now I'm adding mustard oil. It's quite hot, very hot. धेरै तातो भयो यो अनि सरसोको तेल तातै भएको राम्रो अलिकति बास्ना त्यो स्ट्रङ आगो लाग्यो
That might catch fire.
Sorry guys, है हाम्रो यो चुलोमा खाना बनाउने.
People want to know what you're making now.
So
what are you
I'm
prepping
making now.
Well, you can take that out.
Goat curry.
के पानी हाल्दैन के हो?
नहीं पानी हाल्ने. जल्न दिनुपर्छ त्यसलाई.
कसको घरमा हो?
हजुर.
कसको घरमा हो अरे?
कसको घरमा? हाम्रो विकास नेपालजीको घरमा.
It's gonna melt.
प्लास्टिक.
त्यही टाइलमा राख्दिनु.
Okay, so I'm cooking goat curry, yeah. So masu पकाउन लाग्छु दशैंको स्टाइलमा हाम्रो है. Okay.
सबैले दशैंको शुभकामना दिँदै हुनुहुन्छ.
Thank you. Happy दशैं सबैजनालाई. म यसमा सरसोको तेल एड गरे है. अलिकति यसलाई फायरलाई हामी कन्ट्रोल गर्न कोसिस गर्छौं त्यसपछि सुरु गरौँला. ओके, सरसोको तेल हामीले हाल्यौ. त्यो युकेमा हुनुहुन्छ भने हाम्रो तोरीको तेल नेपाल फुडको युज गर्न मिल्छ है हाम्रो. अनि एकदमै मिठो बास्ना भएको तेल है. अनि अलिकति गरम मसला हाले मैले. गरम मसलामा इलायची, जीरा अनि है. If you have any question, let me know please. Hey, thank you for watching. अनि तपाईहरुमा के क्वेशन छ भने please let me know. And I will be using the thakali masala, thakali powder masala, meat masala हामीसँग छ.
Can you tell them where you're going live from? They want to know what country you're in right now.
I am from UK. So म Aldershot को Farnborough ठाउँमा छु म, nearby Aldershot हैन. म पहिलोपल्ट आछु यो ठाउँ. Amazing. Sorry. नेपाली बास्ना आयो हेर्नु त यस्तै यस्तै हुन्छ हाम्रो नेपालीमा पुरा
त्यही भन्दैछन् सबैजना
छिमेकीलाई डिस्टर्ब भयो
छैन छैन ठिक
होइन भएको छैन हामी दसैँ हो नि त दसैँमा कहाँ हामी नेपालमा पनि पुरा नेपाललाई डिस्टर्ब गरेर बसिया हुन्छु If you want to see the what's going on, see the spices, onion, हैन त्यसपछि यसलाई पाक्न दिनु अलिकति त्यसपछि अब मासु हालौँ अनि मासुलाई मजाले भुटौँ है या हामीले मैले मासु म्यारिनेट गरेर राखेको छु हैन तपाईले यदि ओभरनाइट म्यारिनेट गर्ने हो भने एकदमै राम्रो सजिलो हुन्छ हेर्नु है खसीको मैले म्यारिनेट गरेर राखेको छु म्यारिनेटको यसको रेसिपी तपाईहरुलाई म शेयर गर्छु है सोशल मिडियामा
What have you put in so far?
So first I put the mustard oil, then whole spice, and when you have whole spice start crackling, then I add ginger chopped, garlic chopped, chili chopped, and red onion. Okay. Okay. Any questions so far?
No, that's it for now, I think. I'll keep on reading.
Okay.
Guys, do you have any questions you want him to answer or anything? Let me know and I'll ask him on your behalf.
Look at the mushroom, how it look, no? It's amazing. है यो फ्राई हुन दिने मजाले त्यसपछि मसलाहरु हालेर टमाटरहरु हालेर म त अलिकति हेर फर्काए है
Check your...
आज वेदर पनि गजब रहेछ यहाँ है त मासुमा इम्पोर्टेन्ट राम्रोसँग फ्राई हुन जरुरी हुन्छ हैन राम्रोसँग त्यसलाई अलिकति क्यारमलाइज जस्तो हुनलाई
Chef, food name please.
खसीको मासु है हाम्रो थकाली स्टाइलमा खसीको मासु है
थकाली मसला भनेको एक्सप्लेन गरिदिनुस् रे
थकाली मसलामा एक्सप्लेन गरे भने तपाईहरु घरमै बनाउन सक्नुहुन्छ हैन त्यसो भएर विकासजीको यहाँ किन्नलाई हाम्रो थकाली मसलामा है थकाली स्पाइस छ हाम्रो है यहाँ नेपाल फुडको वेबसाइटबाट अनलाइन शपबाट किन्न सक्नुहुन्छ तपाईहरुले हैन
मटन करी पठाइदिनुस् रे Can you send me mutton curry?
Send me your postcode please. If you are my next door, you will have a chance, okay?
They said I love your open kitchen, Santosh sir. Jai Nepal.
Thank you, Jai Nepal. है यो पुरा ओपन फायरमा बनाइरहेको छौँ हामीले पुरा नेपाली स्टाइलमा त्यसको स्मोक र उ पनि हामी अब्जर्भ गरिरहेको छौँ
के भन्नु
ल Okay, so you have now.
They're saying there's this. I have a question. I got questions there from Shah.
Okay.
They say I'm also from Tarai. Why don't you use authentic Tarai spices that we use?
I have I have used lots of spice and ingredients in the MasterChef, and I'm doing cookbook as well. So cookbook, we have I'm adding Tarai food as well, and then again I will be in this year MasterChef here, and I'm cooking Tarai food, mostly Tarai food, birya, tilori, kumrori, adori. If you know the people name, these things, you know, the Nepali food, कठहरको तरकारी अनि धेरै कुराहरु मैले बनाइराछु यो पल्ट अनि यो पल्ट पनि BBC मा हामी तराईको खाना देखाउने म कोसिस गरिरहेछु लास्ट इयर हाम्रो एक्सपेरिमेन्टल थिएन तराईको फुड त्यही भएर तर यो पल्ट हामी लगिरहेछौं
People are calling us lucky because दशैंको बेला हजुरले पकाएको खसीको मासु खान पाउनेहरु सारै लकी
थ्यांक यू म पनि अब दशैं आयो भनेर हैन दशैं आयो अनि हामी बच्चा हुँदै के रे खाउला पिउला त्यति बेला पिउला किन भन्थे त्यो बुझ्न सकेन हैन अहिले पो पिउला के थ्यांक यू है यसरी बनाएको चुलोमा बनाएको एकदमै अमेजिङ खसीको मासु यसको रेसिपी तपाईलाई मेरो इन्स्टाग्राममा मिल्छ सिम्पल तरिकाले बनाउने हो हामी सरसोको तेल हाल्यौँ मस्टर्ड ओइल I put the mustard oil then whole spices then ginger garlic chili and red onion and till sauté till brown हैन अनि त्यसपछि म्यारिनेटेड गरेको मासु हैन meat was marinated in ginger garlic paste and chili powder turmeric little bit turmeric and thakali meat masala as well, yeah. So thakali meat masala we have from Nepal food, and it's a really nice masala. And meat masala, they say meat masala, but you can use in a vegetarian as well. This is inside don't have a meat. This is used for mainly for meat. But if you are buying at home and you using only once a while for a meat, then you can use for the other curries as well. So it's very very tasty and very very nice masala, very flavorful.
People are appreciating the fact that you're going live making khasiko masu.
Thank you to Vikas ji, हैन विकास नेपाललाई thank you. उहाँले यो आइडिया लिएर आउनु भएको छ र मलाई पनि मन परेर आज लन्डनबाट फार्नबडामा आएको छु. सरी है कसैलाई यदि विकास जीले झुटो बोलेछ म फार्नबडामा हैन भनेर उहाँको घर फार्नबडामै हो. Thank you and yeah, this is great idea. I like it. So we will be coming again live soon and do some amazing food and question answer as well. अब लगभग यो भुन्न लाग्यो है पुरा हेर्न यसको फ्लेभर पनि स्मेल पनि एकदमै गजब अरु पाक्न दिने एकछिन हैन.
People are saying that you're married that you made in MasterChef. That was lovely.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Hey, thank you. The MasterChef food will be serving very very soon in my restaurant. So restaurant coming very soon in Mayfair.
So everyone's invited.
Yeah. So while you are cooking and we are answering more question, welcome. Let's try Himalayan green tea from the Nepal food again. And this is anything from Himalayan honey, and it will be honey will be amazing with this tea. We do have a Himalayan honey as well from the Nepal food. So let's drink with the tea with the honey, and this is amazing. This is beautiful. And we do have a very big culture about the honey in Nepal. So if you see honey hunting, the people will have a Google search. This is one of the interesting things in Nepal to find and see the honey hunting in Nepal. It is possible to show in the there like a little bit nearby. See how beautiful looking it is. Okay.
This is what it looks like at the moment, guys.
Look at this.
For all those people asking, you can get all the spices or all the Nepal Foods ingredients from www.nepalfoodsonline.co.uk.
Okay, so I will be adding a bit honey in my tea. So again, this is the Nepal food honey from the Himalaya, land of Himalaya, Himalayan honey. And I like just check a little bit this to get more color.
Are the spices gluten free?
Yes. Yes. So no gluten in spice and no MSG as well. So this is without MSG and no gluten. So Nepal food maximum item have a gluten free and they have a label says gluten free in the item. So maximum item is they have a maximum all spices is gluten free there. So no gluten in the spices mixed in a Nepal food.
People want to work with you.
With me?
Yeah.
Oh, please, I will send you the address, please. Come, I need this stuff. Helping hand. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. So now we'll be adding thakali masala. because the meat is already fried, and then we'll be adding tomato and a little bit of water and let the meat to cook. Okay. Then salt.
For the people who are joining in now, they're asking, what are you making at the moment?
I will explain you what I'm making. Hey, I will get tomato.
He's going. He'll come back again. Don't worry, guys.
Then we
He's
have
back.
chopped tomato. So I'm making goat curry, thakali goat curry with the thakali spice powder from the Nepal food. So if you see the t-shirt with the Nepal food, you can buy the lots of ingredients from there. So we have a goat curry with the bone. You can see that. Then we will be cooking this one a little bit, let them to get fried.
That's a tomato he just added.
Yes, so it's tomato at the end. Don't put in the first because it will be not cooking. The meat will be chewy. And
How long does it roughly take to cook this meat?
1 hour, 45 minutes, 50 minutes. And if you have a pressure cooker, you can cook in the pressure cooker first a little bit meat and then we can do it. So, but this is the best way to cook it slowly. So
Especially
at least
in the
1 hour,
wood.
yeah. So another note: if you using the thakali masala, you don't need to use garam masala at all. So no garam masala, no coriander powder. Don't go in that Indian food route. So if you just add the thakali masala and try it and see how it is. Okay.
What are you serving with kasiko masu?
Kasiko masu with rice. Basmati rice. We have amazing basmati rice. It's the Nepal food, and we have paratha. Nepal food paratha as well. So we have a Nepal food paratha and rice as well. So yeah, masu bhat always favorite for Nepali, for me, for maximum people. And if you bring the camera now, look at the color, the meat color, and
Are you ready to hear this?
yeah.
We want to see some dance moves as well, Chef, with Dasei songs.
I
Go
do-
for it, show
I
them.
do belly dance. You see the movie now because you can feel my belly. Sorry guys.
That's all we're getting, man. No Nepali dance for us.
No Nepali dance. Sorry. I know only belly dance.
People asking, why don't you use furundana with masu for Dasei?
What that?
People are asking, why don't you use furundana with masu for Dasei? We do have furundana as well.
What we have? Sorry.
Furundana.
Furundana. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Yeah. Oh,
We
yeah,
do
that
have
would be
some as
amazing,
well,
yeah.
so you
But
can try.
this taste, look, this is amazing. I had
Look at that, guys.
taste, and this is amazing. But only the point now, the how tender is meat. So how long you cook it, that tender will be meat. So yeah. And yeah, we will do this one. Yeah, amazing. So we have a Nepal food furundana. This is amazing with the meat. This will let's have this. This is our dinner sort out. We're gonna have this and kukuri ram. Okay, so we have a kukuri ram. I have it here. I have already. Cheers, guys. Okay, thank you. Cheers.
There's a chef Renuka Chetri. She's saying, can you start a Nepal Express restaurant? I would love to be on your team.
So in Nepal, I will be starting a restaurant in a few years, not now. First restaurant I want to be in London. It has to be in London because I started from London. So and then second will be in Kathmandu. So I will be doing Kathmandu. Please keep in touch and follow me in my Instagram and social media. You'll know when I'm opening the restaurant. if I'm you, I will be not adding the water here. So I will be leave it like this with the tulendana, you know, and we're going to have with the nice, amazing, like so.
Loads of people would
We have a Nepali flag as well, guys. Okay, so if you see why we putting in the back, we should put it here, you know.
That's our flag right there, guys. Put it in there.
दशैं आयो भनेर नेपालीको दशैं हो नि त हैन हैन ओके
People would love to come and work for you, apparently.
thank you well, hopefully I will have a restaurant and I will give a chance to work with the people and also get inspired from my food and innovative yeah.
Happy Dasai from USA.
Happy Dasai from London, happy Dasai from Chef Santosh. Can you read the name? Who say happy Dasai? Because nobody was telling happy Dasai there. You know, we need to say happy Dasai.
Patrick,
Happy
yes.
Dasai, Patrick.
The Mustache Chef said happy Dasai, Chef. Happy Dasai to you too on behalf
Happy
of Santosh.
Happy Dasai, everyone. Thank you very much, guys. This is a fantastic.
Question: masala first or tomatoes first in goat curry?
Masala first, please. Masala, and before burning the masala, you put the tomato. Okay, so masala will be need a fry little bit there. So if you put the after tomato masala, it will be feeling the raw powder and spice in the mouth. So we need to little bit fried it. Okay.
Great Jyoti said happy Dasai from Australia.
Happy Dasai, हजुर. है रमाइलो गर्नुस् अनि मासु बनाउनुस् अनि ट्याग गर्नुस् नेपाल फुड यदि युज गर्नुहुन्छ भने नेपाल फुडको पिक्चर राखेर हेर्नुस् र प्लिज ट्राई थकाली मीट मसाला इन goat curry and let me know how it is. Okay, I really like it, so it's really nice.
Rahul Don said, I already said happy Dasai, you missed my chat. I do apologize.
Sorry, happy Dasai, Rahul.
I've got Pradeep saying happy Dasai from Lahan, Nepal.
Hello, this is from my near village, Lahan. Hello, namaste, happy Dasai, happy Tihar.
Happy Dasai from Wales. Happy Dasai from Nepal. Happy Dasai from Spain. Happy Dasai from Sydney.
Hello, amazing.
So we
Thank
got
you.
everyone around the world watching us.
If you have any question, please let me know. Yeah, happy Dasai, and very nice to talk with you. And thank you for watching. And well, our curry is almost ready. Just need to the meat need to be tender. How tender you want? We Nepali likes a little bit stronger, not like very soft. So see, a little bit more. Yeah.
Thakali masala कताबाट ल्याउने सर?
Thakali masala हाम्रो नेपाल फुड online.co.uk मा हामी गर्न सक्छौं. तपाई कहाँबाट हुनुहुन्छ त्यो लोकल नेपाली शपमा पनि पाइन्छ. UK मा हुनुहुन्छ भने अनलाइन क्वालिटी शपमा पाउनुहुन्छ र नेपाली अलमोस्ट हरेक नेपाली शपमा पाइन्छ. जो थकाली मीट मसाला अनि अनलाइनबाट किन्न सक्नुहुन्छ. यदि बाहिर विदेशबाट हुनुहुन्छ भने तपाईले अलि म्याक्सिमम अर्डर गर्नुभयो भने हामी यहाँबाट पनि तपाईलाई शिपिङ गर्न सकिन्छ.
Happy Dasai from West Sikkim.
West Sikkim. Oh,
yeah.
The beautiful place. Happy Dasai हजुरलाई पनि है. Happy Dasai मनाउनुस्. यो लास्ट दशैं हाम्रो कोरोनाले खाइदियो. यो दशैं तपाईहरुले एकदमै राम्रोसँग मनाउनुस्.
People are keen on wanting to know what are the spices behind you. So if you can run through them.
We have lots of spices from the Nepal food. So this is a whole timbu from the Nepal. हैन? timbu हो. यो हाम्रो जिम्बु स्पाइस हो. जिम्बु स्पाइसलाई हामीले मात्रै दालमा झाँगेर खान्छौं हैन. त्यो मैले यदि तपाईले मास्टर शेफमा हेर्नु भएको छ भने I was marinated powder from this. So I did roasted this one. I make a powder spice and marinated lamb and I cook in oven. So it was I use as a spice, not just like a एउटा आइटम को लागि. So हामीले यसलाई अरु तरिकाले पनि युज गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. यो this is a family of chives. So dry garlic and onion. Right? So okay, this one, and then we have a next pani puri masala. नेपालमा धेरै popular छ अहिले pani puri. So यो मसला छ अनि timbur powder, timbur whole पनि छ, timbur powder पनि छ यहाँ. अनि मोमो मसला छ अनि हिमालयन ग्रीन टी. अहिले भर्खर यो ग्रीन टी राखेको छु. एकदमै ग्रीन टी पनि एकदमै अमेजिङ छ. र हाम्रो नेपाली उसको लागि I think wood will be fine here.
Push that.
Okay, so you look at the meat curry, how it look. Really nice color. So I didn't add any other spices apart from the thakali masala. Only salt and chili powder. The marinated was in a ginger garlic paste, thakali masala as well. Okay. Sorry. Or questions are possible?
It's fine, yeah, it's what it is.
यो विन्टरमा एकदमै अमेजिङ होला है चारैतिर हाम्रो चेयर लगाएर बस्ने सबैजना यसैबाट टिप्दै खाँदै है घरमा नेपाली उ गर्छ नि त हैन अनि
Can you please explain the process too, please?
okay, so process was there. The first I will be a little bit loud so you can hear it. So first mustard oil when the pan is hit hot, and then you put the mustard oil, then you put the whole spices. So whole spices like mixed garam masala, so bay leaf and the whole garam masala. So cloves, cardamom, all the spices you put there, and then you let them crack, and then you put the ginger, garlic, chili chop, and started to left them to caramelize. The caramelize a little bit, not the dark brown, okay? And then you add the marinated meat, and then you start cooking, and then you add the chili powder, salt, and then you put thakali masala and tomato paste at the end, and then you start cooking. If we need more water, just add a little bit hot water and start cooking till soft. Okay?
So I've got a question. People are asking, what did you use to marinate the
Yeah, so
meat?
marination was ginger garlic paste, thakali masala, salt, chili powder, and a pinch of turmeric.
You didn't add any yogurt or anything, did
No,
you?
no.
But you can add yogurt if you want.
And it will be ruining the taste. So
Okay.
this is in a yogurt you can marinate when you're making the polua. So if you're making poleko or anything barbecue, then yeah, you can do this one. So yeah, so when you're adding yogurt, you better you cook in open fire. So yeah, so we have a beautiful background. Just look at it, look like Nepal now. We are sitting in Nepal. So
So this is the
yeah.
background.
And meat is already ready now. You can see, and if you bring in all this camera here and see the meat.
This is what it looks like now. Look how amazing that looks.
Yeah. So if you see the meat.
So
Okay, guys, thank you very much and thank you for watching. Okay, so
these are the spices that we've been talking
it's
about.
really nice. It's beautiful. It is very very tasty. And we have rice. And earlier we cooked the chicken bhujia, and then we had a jungri papad, if you remember from Master Chef, yeah, and lakhamari, gundruk, bhatmas pickle.
So there are all the
Yeah.
ranges, guys.
So all the spice we have here, and we're gonna to have today this meat with this one. Okay?
Purundana we're gonna have it with, and rice on the side.
And rice will be, without rice will be no Nepali food. We need Nepali rice and bhat, okay? So this is amazing. Thank you very much. If we show the one time more the meat, we have it ready. Just we can take out, leave it somewhere. Where? यहाँ माथि राख्नु नि है यता राख्नु कपडा राख्नु
Put something on top.
यो कपडा राख्नु So okay. Okay. है ल हाम्रो meat ready छ है Thank you very much. Thank you for watching and see you soon. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can send me the inbox as well. You can send, if you have a product related any question, you can send the Nepal Food Instagram. You can use the asking them. They are very active to answer your question. Thank you very much. Thank you. Namaste. Namaste. Happy Dasai. Happy Dasai. Eh? Happy Dasai. Thank you. Oh, I didn't realize.